Alrighty guys, this is a cold air intake, the S&B. Took us about 30 minutes. That's a reusable, old, it's got oil on it. Clean it, wash it, oil it, put it back in. This is like an asbestos wrap that I put on this myself. It's a black pipe, I put it on there for the heat. This is your mass airflow. We didn't unhook it, so we didn't disconnect the battery terminals. If you're going to unhook this, they suggest you do. This is the MAP relocator. I put it on at the same time. This took about 10 minutes, nothing to it. This is the MAP here. It's pointing in this way instead of pointing down into the Y bridge. When it's in the Y bridge, it senses the airflow in here, inside here. Well, in the Y bridge. Well, what happens is it carbon buildup. When I pulled that thing out, it was just completely caked. They're supposed to spray that off with cleaner every service. It's supposed to be included in it, but it's hardly ever done. They just don't do it. But this relocator puts it back here, and this goes down inside the Y bridge, so the air still goes in, but the carbon buildup is not there. It's really a pretty neat little thing. 60, 70 bucks, I think. And this didn't take nothing. That took about 10 minutes. This took about 30. Nothing to it, guys. And it runs noticeably different. I can't hear the turbo now, whereas before it was really quiet with the big resonator on there. But I hope you enjoy these videos. And this is the 2017 Duramax 2500 L5P. It's Frosty. I'm out of here.